Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome once again to the channel. This is SunsetDroneGh. Today, we are coming to you from the Tamale Sports Stadium, also known as the Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium. This stadium was one of the venues for the 2008 African Cup of Nations. It serves as the home grounds for Real Tamale United, Tamale City FC, and Steadfast FC. It has a capacity of 20,000 people and it was completed in 2008 by Shanghai Construction Group from China. It has some similarities to the Sekondi-Takoradi Stadium. Please, if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to the channel, I will entreat you to click on the red subscribe button to become part of this amazing Sunset family. Please do well to click on the red subscribe button, watch, like, comment on our videos, and please, after clicking on the red subscribe button, wait for some few minutes. You will see a notification bell. Click on it and select all so that whenever we post our videos, you will be notified. In December 2017, the stadium was renamed Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium after the late Aliu Mahama, the former vice president of Ghana. The facility has a wide range of car park and a training field for daily keep fit. The stadium also has a gym which is open to the general public. Please do well to like, comment, and share all our videos, and do well to subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed to the channel. General public events such as music shows, weddings, and funeral events for the region. This is a beautiful edifice, as you can see on your shots right now. It's a very big and massive project which was done in the north and some parts of Ghana to host the African Cup of Nations 2008. And it is my hope that as such a massive project has been done, the culture of maintenance will be observed so that this project will last for long. It is my hope, it is just my hope that the project will be maintained and taken good care of to prevent it from deteriorating. It's a very beautiful and nice edifice, as you can see from your shots right now. Please, let's share the video, let's share the channel for it to become viral. I know that you have been watching our videos. Thank you so much for doing such, and please continue watching our videos and share them for others to watch. Thank you.